Hi, my name is Eric Olson, Director of HELPS. This short little video is going to address the question, can a state tax collector garnish my Social Security or my pension? I guess the quick and easy answer is no. Not for state taxes anyway. They can take a refund in certain instances for taxes that you owe, but they cannot garnish your Social Security or your pension. Social Security regulations prohibit garnishment by all creditors except for the IRS, which happens rarely, and for child support and spousal support. State tax collectors are not one of those exceptions. And the same applies to a pension and disability. Pensions are governed by ERISA, which is the Employment Retirement Income Security Act of 1974. Once again, state tax collectors cannot garnish pensions. Now, once it gets into a bank account, the pension, then it possibly can be taken by a state tax collector, but they cannot go directly to your pension and take it. I'm not saying that, I'm not telling you this so you can avoid paying taxes. Most of the time this comes up, at least with HELPS and our clients, are seniors that are poor, old, and they owe taxes from way back when, and they're not able to pay it. And a lot of times the states will not advise the senior that their income is protected by federal law and they can't take it from them. Instead, they'll shake them down or intimidate them into paying the money. But seniors need to know that their taxes are, their income is protected, can't be taken for old taxes that are owed. And as far as the IRS is concerned, that's a different topic. IRS can garnish. Normally, not normally, but if they were to garnish, it's normally 15% of the Social Security. We don't see IRS hardly ever going after pensions or other forms of retirement income. It's usually just Social Security, and usually it's 15%. Mind you, we're talking about lower and middle income seniors that don't have a lot of money. And in many instances, seniors that are being threatened with a 15% garnishment of their Social Security for taxes can be placed on non-collectible now status with IRS. And we'll have another video that talks about that, or there's articles in our website, HELPS, www.helpsishere.org. So my name is Eric Olson. I've been an attorney for 40 years. What HELPS does is protect seniors that are on protected income like Social Security, pensions, disability, VA benefits. Under the Fair Debt Collection Practices Act, we represent them as their attorney to stop collector contact. When people are part of our program, they may no longer call the senior or send them demand letters anymore. And our clients always have an attorney they can call if they're worried or scared. But our job is to receive communication from these collectors so our clients can have lives of peace. You have a great day.